In this video guide, I will give you instructions that will help you to remove malicious pop-ups and scary pop-ups that are related to the site Karsin.live. So, Karsin.live is a malicious site. It attacks Google Chrome, and it may also affect other browsers. This site is dangerous. It tries to make you think that your computer is supposedly horribly infected. These pop-ups are absolutely deceptive. Do not trust them. Do not install anything that they suggest, because these pop-ups are totally faulty. We recommend you to fix your browser immediately, and of course what you could do is, first of all, researching the system. Check the control panel and uninstall any programs if you find them to be suspicious. To make sure that your computer is free of other possibly hidden threats, I recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and begin researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.